Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your preferences about your next role on the Seek Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Then you should scroll down to the bottom of the screen to this last section about your next role and click on availability. Tap on preferred work types and indicate the most suitable options. Then click on save at the top. Add your preferred location. Click on save. Scroll down and tap on right to work. Tap on save, add your salary expectation, click on done, tap on classification of interest and select a relevant category and then a subcategory. So as you can see, you have filled in all of these sections, so you are done. Feel free to edit it anytime. All you have to do is going back to this section and edit the relevant category. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.